On February 21, 1873, we began our journey to become who we are today. The ancient Greek mythology spoke of a titan named Atlas who carried the world on his shoulders. And this giant was the inspiration behind the name of our company way back when it was founded. Today, in many ways, we are the giant that modern society relies on, from food production to space travel and new sources of energy. 15 decades later, we owe our success to those who came before us. People who found new innovative solutions to the challenges society has faced throughout the years. And we are committed to take this legacy forward. The core of the group's business dates back to the early years of the 20th century. In the beginning, our company made products for railways and eventually expanded into compressors, tools, and rock drills needed to industrialize the world. Today, we still hold world-leading positions in many of the same industries and are also known as pioneers in completely new segments. Our purpose remains the same: to empower our customers to grow and drive society forward, to create a better tomorrow. From a single-office Swedish company, we have grown into a multinational group with customers in more than 180 countries. Throughout time, our innovative spirit and our values have remained intact. The Atlas Copco Group has always been about innovation, sustainability, and doing business in an ethical way. The most important part of this has been our people. People who took charge and drove development forward by offering new ideas that lead to new technologies and better services, fulfilling the needs of our customers. While remaining focused on safety, ergonomics, and productivity. Many of us have worked here for a long time, while others are new to the group. We all share the same commitment, and this is what makes us stronger together. And it is our focus on the future that paves the way for a better tomorrow. A place in time from which coming generations can look back at us and feel proud of what we have achieved. So, we celebrate our past, knowing that we will play an important role in shaping the future also, 150 years from now.